What's going on, everybody? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today, I'm doing what's called an 11-month warranty inspection. These folks bought this house almost a year ago. Their warranty's coming up and they want me to come through here and take a look at the property and make sure there's nothing that needs to be improved before their warranty expires. Now, you've probably heard me say before, when I get up on a roof, I'm not only looking at the roof, but I'm looking at everything that I can see from the roof. So I'm on a lower section of the roof back right now on the back side of the property, and you can see there's a bunch of windows. I'm gonna take you down for a look at this wall here and show you some of the defects I found, so come with me. First thing I want to point out is this lack of mortar, or at least the freeze board was too short. It didn't cover up these bricks. They didn't get the mortar all the way up. This is an excellent spot for insects to get inside your property, inside your walls, and that kind of seems to be going down all the way down this wall. Now, moving on, we got our windows. You can see that we have a very poorly caulked window here. The sealant is deteriorated completely. Maybe it never really was there to begin with, or at least not very well. And that is also happening on several of these windows. Now that trend continues all down, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these windows, and every single one of them look just like that. But when I got to this one over here, the last one, I saw some cracking right here, but I went in for a little bit of a closer look. I'm gonna see if I can pick this up on the video so you can see what's going on. Check it out. So here we go, we got cracking and we can see that. But anytime we see this, I always just kind of want to put my hand on it and just see what happens. This whole brick section and steel lintel is loose. And this entire section of brick is loose and moving whenever I push on it. So, 11-month warranty inspection. As you can see, hasn't even been a year, and we definitely have some areas that need some improvement. These people are going to get every bit of value from their 11-month warranty inspection. Okay, I got a lot to inspect on this house. Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Give me a call so I can inspect your next house. Bye now.
Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.